Hi, I'm Jerry Maryniuk, and I'm part of the Wave, the Interlake Artist Wave Tour. I'm number 10. I do a variety of things, trolls and cartoons, paintings, that kind of stuff. But today we're going to focus a little bit on the gourd part. After growing them, I turn them into various pieces of art. And this piece is going to be eventually a Thunder Gourd. It's something I found fascinating when I was traveling through Texas and Arizona is when I first seen these. Brought some seeds back to Canada. I don't know if that was legal or not, but I did it. And anyway, so started growing these gourds. And then they need about, in our climate, because it's quite humid and then things freeze, it takes about 6 months to 9 months for them to dry enough so that you can then work with them, clean them. They're eventually they come out, they're almost hollow. You wonder what the heck is inside, and there's not much inside other than seeds and a little bit of fiber, kind of like a pumpkin. So I grow about 12 different species. Like I said, this is the bottle gourd, which is probably the most desirable for me. Long gourd, snake gourd, and a variety of other ones. So this was my first Thunder Gourd that I did here in Canada. Got the idea in Arizona after seeing them going to a couple gourd festivals and things. I thought, wow, that is so cool. When I heard the person go, and you hear that thunder, the end result is I got into it in a big way and now grow about 12 different species. This is called a wart gourd. And this is a bottle gourd, which I've turned into a vase. And this has an Arizona influence as well as a native influence as well. So here I did a Gila monster on a dipper gourd. And our ancestors had gourds. They were grown on all the continents. And they were basically vessels, tools, kitchen tools if you like. So what they would do here is they would hollow out, cut a hole in here. They'd put some kind of a sealant in there, like a pine pitch or some kind of a tar, and that would become their dipper. And then they would scoop the water or whatever, and that's what they were used for initially. And if you can also eat them when they're young, they're very similar to a zucchini. I actually teach courses on how to create Thunder Gourds, and people that have taken the courses find it pretty interesting, as I did. And actually this fall I'm doing some in Arborg and perhaps in Winnipeg Beach as well. Should you be interested in creating your own without taking the course, you can always contact me, and I've got, as you've seen, there is a ton of gourds that I have ready to go. I won't need them all. I've got about 300 various species. So looking forward to everyone coming to see us during the fall wave in September, and thank you for the opportunity to talk to you.